play. And then another player, I think a guy in Orlando Magic tweeted, come out, wow, we see where your priorities are. You're healthy and you still don't want to play. So there's going to be mixed reactions. You look at the Victor situation. Did he come out? He came out recently and said he was like 80%, less than 80% when the season got shut down from returning from his injury. Think about this, guys. Joe, you know better than Jeff or I that if you don't prepare yourself, your body, and you try to jump right back into things, you're higher risk of getting injured, and then you're looking at a long-term injury. So I think Victor is gonna, what he is when he's trying to play it safe, because the last thing you want is to jump back in, re-injure yourself, and then you're jeopardizing the 2020-2021 season.
Agreed. And I guess my thing with him, he was talking about how fast they're going to have to get back into everything. And yeah, he's feeling 100% right now. And that's what I'm saying. Well, that's fine. I think we can restrict. You can go back to restrictions that were placed on him. Heck, he only played, 13 games. So, no, I'm all for that. I'd love him to be a part of it. I'd love to see this team move forward. And I'm not sure what you think about it, but you think a team like the Pacers might have I think any team that's, not in the limelight, not expected to do anything, might have an advantage because their expectations aren't great. But they certainly, if they can get everybody back and healthy, they got a great nucleus, and they play a brand of basketball that's, they go 8 deep, 9 deep if they want to. They could give some teams some problems, especially on a quick turnaround and where other teams are still trying to get in shape.
I think these playoffs are going to be, because of the circumstances, is going to be, anybody's going to have a chance in these playoffs because what we're dealing with. There's no home court advantage, which means Philadelphia no longer has, that in their favor. There's no road games, which helps Philadelphia because they were straight hot garbage as a road basketball team. But even the teams at the top, you don't know what's going to come out of them because of the long layoff and not trying to get back in and trying to get back into the flow of things. So I think these playoffs are going to be against anybody's team. Of course, you're going to need Lakers and Bucks as teams to beat, and the Clippers, but you just don't know how it's going to come about, what's going to happen. And I think you can see a surprise team, a lower seeded team, upset an higher seeded team once the playoffs start.
Mike Wells, ESPN.com, joining us here in the Payless Liquors hotline. And apparently you have still been working, Mike, because I see your latest piece up on ESPN.com. Better, worse, or the same, how the Colts offense stacks up behind Philip Rivers. What do you discover?
Oh, man, I think you think about it, and actually, I think that last week I was behind the same day. I was, yeah, exactly. But you think about it, the offensive lineup is the same, and that's because of returning their starters. The receivers should be better. I'm not too high on the tight ends. I think, even though the way Eric Avon did the Colts by just shutting down, I don't think they're a better group than what they were last year because Trey Burton, with the injuries last year, I don't think Trey Burton is as good as Eric Avon. The running backs are better. Obviously, I think the quarterbacks are not great, so I think the offense as a whole, they have an opportunity to be a top 10 overall offense, not just a top 10 run offense.
All right, we'll see how it all works out. Mike, it's good to talk to you. And any parting shots for Joe before you take off?
Nah. Who else going to be judging besides Big Ass?
I don't know. I'm not sure who's on there. But for anybody,
I have a meeting later on today. They're going to tell me who all the judges are.
So anybody that wants to have a large green egg, which is what Mike just graduated up to, just $450 is the current bid at the raceforriley.org at the fundraiser we're going to have tomorrow. So the live auction's going on right now. You can get one for less than half price.
Oh yeah, if you can get one for $450, that's less than half price. Hey, bid in and get on that one. I mean, let's go. Put it up at $600 because you still coming out on top of that one. Because if not, Big Joe's gonna have his 15 big green eggs in his backyard. I'm out, fellas. Talk later.
There you go.
One for chicken.
Bye this time.
Yeah, one for chicken, one for pork, one for beef. You gotta have your own green eggs. That would be awesome to have 3. So yeah. Well,
so apparently Novak Djokovic outed himself for having the coronavirus. I'll give you his statement coming up in a moment as we continue here on the Fan Morning Show. We'll also take a look at more comments from John Harbaugh of the Baltimore Ravens trying to figure out